Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Ma Kalaratri. Ma Kalaratri is worshipped on the 7th day of Navaratri. She considered quite a violent form of Ma Parvati. Kal means time or death and Ratri means night. As per her name, she considered as the destroyer of darkness. Goddess Kalaratri has dark black complexion. She rides on a donkey. The goddess has 4 hands. Both right hands stay in Abhaya and Varada Mudra, and the left 2 hands carry sword and hook weapon. As the legend goes, there were 2 demons, Shumbha and Nishumbha, who had captured the entire Devalok. The king of the gods, Indra, was defeated badly. In order to get their home back, they sought help from Ma Parvati. While they were explaining the entire story to her, she was bathing inside. In order to help them, she sent Chandi to help them. When goddess Chandi went to the demons for war, Shumbha and Nishumbha sent Chanda and Munda to fight. Hence, she created Ma Kalaratri to kill them. After killing them, she got the name Chamunda. After that, Raktabij arrived. This demon had the capability of recreating his body with his blood. Every time goddess killed him and his blood spilled on the ground, the demon made a new body for himself. So Kalaratri Durga decided to drink all his blood so that nothing drops down the floor, and it actually worked. There are many of other legends associated with Kalaratri. One of them tells how Ma Parvati became Durga. As per that legend, the demon Durgasura was trying to attack Kailash in the absence of Ma Parvati. So she sent Kalaratri for dealing with him. The gods of the demons tried to attack Kalaratri, but she grew bigger and bigger in size. Eventually, she got too powerful to handle. Durgasura had to leave, but Ma Kalaratri told him that his death is near. Another time, when Durgasura tried to attack Kailasha, Ma Parvati fought with him and killed him. Hence, she got name of Durga. Shani is ruled by the Kalaratri Mata. Worshipped her helps in pacifying the ill effects of the planet. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मा कालरात्रि रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. The 7th day of Navaratri Puja in particular is dedicated to her, and she is considered the fiercest form of the mother goddess, her appearance itself invoking fear. This form of goddess is believed to be the destroyer of all demon entities, ghosts, evil spirits and negative energies who flee upon knowing of her arrival. Some of them describes goddess Kalaratri as being the goddess that rules at the night portion of every day and night. She is also associated with the crown chakra known as Sahasrara chakra, thereby giving the invoker siddhis and nidhis. Kalaratri is also known as Shubhankari, means doing good, due to the belief that she always provides auspicious results to her devotees. Hence, it is believed that she makes her devotees fearless. Other less well-known names of goddess Kalaratri include Raudri and Dhumona. Om Devi Kalaratri Namaha. Thank you guys. Guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.